Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Unielon token. Ticker symbol is Unix, U-N-I-X. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing yesterday on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Unix token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token. So this token just got listed yesterday, December 15th at 16 hours UTC time, on a central exchange called Bitmart. So if you're looking to get the Unix token, all you would have to do if you don't have a Bitmart account is download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search UNIX, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, It's available on there now. Unix is the first UTXO-based Dogecoin swap that supports transactions between inscriptions. And they have a Twitter that I'm going to put up right here. Unielon Wallet on Twitter. They have the blue verified checkmark, 41,900 Twitter followers. And it has a link to their webpage that you can find right there, unielon.com. Over there you can find all their utilities, you can find their socials, you can find a document section, all sorts of cool stuff there. In 2023, the rapid rise and significant growth of DRC-20 inscription market became a notable phenomenon in the blockchain sector. The DRC-20 standard, serving as a mechanism for implementing smart contracts and token assurance on the Bitcoin chain, successfully attracted widespread attention from numerous investors, developers, and artists. The swift development of this market not only demonstrated the diversity and flexibility of Bitcoin technology, but also opened up new possibilities for the application of cryptocurrencies. Part of the reason for the success of the DRC-20 market lies in its support with the rich development for the ecosystem on the Bitcoin chain, extending Bitcoin's functionality from traditional value storage to a broader range of applications. This aspect has stimulated the market's deep exploration and potential mining of emerging technologies. Consequently, as the market evolved, the transaction volume on the Bitcoin network showed exponential growth, with the transaction volume of DRC-20's tokens experiencing a significant surge. However, DRC-20 has still some limitations. When reviewed in the light of its core characteristics, there are significant differences compared to the current pursuit of decentralization, gas optimization, and sustainable expansion in DeFi's crypto market. For instance, DRC-20's shortcomings in smart contract functionality, high gas cost, and the centralized structure of its trading market all limit the developmental potential. Additionally, its first-come, first-served mechanism for inscriptions and the transaction mode based on mining fees also affects the fairness of minting inscriptions to some extent. It's against this market backdrop that Unielon was conceived, with the goal of developing an inscription ecosystem on the Dogecoin chain. As a widely popular cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, with its unique meme culture appeal, extremely low transaction costs, and strong community support, provides a solid foundation for growth. Unielon aims to forge a new path for the application and development of Dogecoin. So, instead of DRC-20s, we have the DRC-20s, the Cardinals. The Cardinals protocol is a system that assigns sequential numbers called cardinals instead of ordinals to Elons, starting from 0 and incrementing in the order that they are mined. These cardinals give each Elon a unique identity. Additionally, the act of inscribing text, images, audio, and video files onto Elons is referred to as inscription, and all files inscribed on Elons are collectively known as cardinal NFTs, with images and text being the primary formats currently. As the market's understanding of the Cardinals protocol deepens, people are gradually realizing that it is a true on-chain NFT solution. Its core features include, number one, no reliance on L2 scaling or sidechains, no need for modifications to the Dogecoin protocol. This sets the Cardinals protocol apart from other NFT solutions on the public blockchains to a significant extent. Now, DRC20 is the standardized protocol for fungible tokens based on the Cardinals protocol. As of now, besides BTC and LTC, only Dogecoin is capable of implementing the UTXO model functionality. The protocol was officially released by the Dogecoin community DogeWow on May 9th. As a novel experiment on the Cardinals protocol, DRC20 aims to explore the potential of asset tokenization on the Dogecoin blockchain. In Dogecoin, the smallest indivisible unit is defined as an Elon, where one Dogecoin equals 100 million Elons. The core functions of the DRC20 Cardinal protocol tokens are utilizing the Cardinals theory. Token information is embedded onto the smallest unit of the Dogecoin network called an Elon. The code is concise. Transaction fees are low. There's high security, strong consensus, standardization, and interoperability. There's ecosystem support, and there is a clear value. Now, there's a roadmap on here, starting with project planning, community contributors, organizing, analyzing the Cardinals protocol and DRC20, Chrome extensions, wallets. Then we have development, architectural plans, implementing mechanisms, designing the wallet, testing, optimizing gas fees, and it's a very lengthy roadmap. It goes on and on. You can find this on their Gitbook, by the way, if you go to unielon.gitbook.io. You can find it on their webpage as well, at unielon.com. You could find the install the wallet on their webpage, trade on the marketplace. Now, you can find a link to swapping, inscribing, mint and deploy. So basically, you can just do all these things right from their webpage here. It's pretty straightforward here. And real easy to find all the information on here. Now, they have an introduction here to Unielon as well. The key factors in Unielon's development. They have a section on that, inherent advantages. You could read all about that. But yeah, tons of info on here. And you can find this token newly listed here on Bitmart. So if you want to get it, that's where you can get it right now, is on Bitmart as of yesterday. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.